Hey, what's up, everybody? Lewis Jordan on behalf of CopyPasteCashFlow.com. I wanted to make a video today to discuss how to make money online with affiliate marketing and the 3 keys to success. Okay, so we're just going to hop right into it, right into the content. I want to make this quick. So, in affiliate marketing, to be successful, obviously you have to have a product or an offer, an affiliate offer, something to offer. The key to it is you want to make sure that your product is aligned with a hungry market. So there should be a hungry market out there desiring your product or service. It should be a lot of competition as well. Contrary to what a lot of people believe, people want us to stray away from the competition, but the competition lets you know that there's money to be made in that particular market. So there's enough money to go around. It's never going to be, we don't have that mind state that it's a fixed pie mentality that it's going to ever run out or it's going to be saturated. That's the mind state of a poor person. If there's competition, that means there's money in the market. That's an indicator that we need to be in there and putting our hand up and letting people know that, hey, we have something to sell as well. Also, it should be low barrier of entry. That's a good thing to get started with. You want to be able to get started without spending a lot of money. And I say low barrier of entry when I'm talking about finances, as well as a learning curve. You want something that you can kind of hit the ground running. You can do some preliminary research. You don't have to spend a lot of money to get started, and you can begin marketing and testing and seeing what the market has to offer you. And I say initially here, meaning that it should also have levels where you can upgrade to get access to other products that cost a little more, but they can give you the opportunity to make more commission. It should have training included as well. So whatever you get involved with, it's a good idea to make sure that product is compartmentalized where everything is included. The compensation plan, the training, all of that is right there for you to learn, so you can just kind of immerse yourself in it, learn it, and get started marketing. And lastly, it should be duplicatable, meaning that once you learn it and start to offer it and you bring other people in, you have a process that you can teach them, or a page or a place that you can show them that they can access the same information and get the same results that you get if you're getting successful results, okay? Next, you're gonna need the most important thing, just web traffic. This is the most essential. You got to get the eyeballs on your product or offer. If no one sees it, you're not going to make any sales, no commission, right? It should be targeted. The traffic should be targeted to your particular audience. I mean, housewives hang out in certain places, single dads, parents, construction workers, what have you, whatever your market is, they hang out certain places. So the traffic that you focus on needs to be directed and targeted to that particular audience. You can go with the free route. Obviously, something like this, a YouTube video, Craigslist, word of mouth, Facebook posting, etc. It takes more time and energy, to do free marketing, but it's definitely an effective way to market. Paid, you want to save your time. If you got the income to do it, you get straight to it. You just buy the traffic and place it right in front of your market. The best method in my estimation is to do a combination of both. Do videos, do Facebook posts, do all these other things, as well as paid traffic as well. And you want to get yourself a routine where you're able to hit every aspect of marketing your business on a daily basis. That's a good rule of thumb. Next, you need a marketing system. Okay, so now we have a product, we got the traffic, now we have the marketing system. And the reason you need a marketing system is to present your product to people in a way that they could get access to your information. So you typically do that with a gate or capture page, where it's an exchange of some sort. They have to give up their email for you to give them the information. That's the exchange. Next, you want to be able to deliver the product with your marketing system via your sales pages, and that's where you have your videos and all your write-ups, etc., your copy that show people and tell people exactly what it is that you have to offer in a manner that's quick, precise, and to the point, but it's thorough enough that they can make an educated decision if they want to get involved with the affiliate offer that you promote. Then the marketing system should have the ability for you to build an email list. Should have an autoresponder, have a way to capture and keep those emails where you can segment those and send out emails to them on a consistent basis. So if they're not ready to buy, typically it's noted that it takes a person anywhere between 5 to 7 times to see your particular offer to decide if they want to buy your product or service. So you need a way to consistently stay in front of those people or those prospects that you get in contact with initially through your capture pages to give them an opportunity to buy. Because life happens, maybe they don't have the money at this particular time, but they get paid later, and you want them to be able to have an opportunity to buy. It should be autopilot communication. This is where the autoresponder comes in, something that's working in the background. The marketing system should have that already included in it. So once your job is to get people eyeballs to your particular offer. Once you get them into your system, the system is going to continually get the product, your offer, in front of those particular people. So you don't have to worry about those at the particular moment. You can focus on continually getting people and eyeballs on your offer. And lastly, autopilot income, working in the background. It should have the marketing system and your affiliate offer all together. Should have a way that you can make income by referring other people into a team or into the system where it is autopilot, if you will. So the income is working in the income producing activities are working on the background, as well as your proactive activities, your day-to-day routine that you do to drive traffic to your offer. So you want to have both of those things working so you can make money and you can focus on other products and other activities, and you're still touching a whole group of people through automation. Okay, so that's what we call the 3 must-have components, or the 3 keys to affiliate marketing success. It is going to be your affiliate offer, your web traffic, your marketing, and your marketing system. These are the 3 components. These are the 3 keys to success. Without them, you're dead in the water. So make sure whatever you do, whenever you decide to market a product, make sure you have all 3 of these, or have that in mind, a plan to use all 3 of these effectively so you can see some success online. Okay, so this is Lewis Jordan on behalf of Copy Paste Cashflow. Please subscribe to my channel, like this video, and share this video with other people who just getting into business or thinking about getting into business. This is a quick primer to get you started, and come back to my channel for more in-depth videos on affiliate marketing, buying traffic, and using marketing systems to make money online. Okay, so this is Lewis Jordan, sign off. Peace.